So now let's see how we can work with the drag and drop box inside of Snagit editor. So over here, I already have my Snagit editor opened up. So there's no direct way of getting a drag and drop box from any of the tools, but you have to go to create and click on image from template. You can choose any one right here. So I'm just going to hit create right here, and there's the drag and drop box. So I can cut this out by pressing Ctrl X. Then I can paste this out in any screenshot or in an image. So I'm just going to keep it right here by pressing Ctrl V, and I'm going to resize this according to what I like. So just like that, you can resize this out right here, and then I can copy and paste this out right here. So I'm just going to go around and paste this right here. You can go around here, cut another one right here, and then paste it just like this, resize that out as well, just like that. And there's another drag and drop box, as you can see right here. So now what I can do is I can actually go around over here and then add an existing content. Let's say, for example, if I want this, I can simply click and drag this out, and you can see that it is there. So just like in a template, what you can do is you can add an image just like that in a holder drag and drop image section inside. So you can just go over here, put it here, just like that. Oh, this is a video, that's why it didn't get supported. So let me just skip this, and you can see that it is there. And this is quite dynamic, so I can actually click and drag it out, and that is how it actually works like. And that is how you can work, bring in drag and drop box. So that is how you can bring in drag and drop box from templates and work with drag and drop box inside of Snagit editor. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.